Hello, everybody. It's Lauren Mantecon from Mantecon Studio. So I wanted to come on today to just share something deeply personal. Um, it's a painting I created called Cassandra. Now, many of you that know me out there know that I don't usually have an idea in mind before I paint. I go in intuitively. I've been doing that for 30 years, and I help others do the same through my mentorships. And this was no exception. But the message behind it after I was done and really listened resonates really strongly with me, and I believe with many of us right now. And before I show the painting, I just I just feel that we are living in a time where our critical thinking, our discernment, our intuition is needed more than ever, that we need to think outside of the box. We need to think beyond left and right to bring unity back. If you live in the United States, the Republican, the Democrats, whatever that is. For you, whatever division is for you, like what is our deepest inner knowing and how can we access that? So, for those of you that don't know me out there, my name is Lauren Mantecon. I'm a contemporary artist, an educator, and a creative mentor who guides individuals into a deeper personal and creative expression through transformational art making. Now, my own art practice and teachings, they merge fine art, intuitive exploration, and the spiritual dimension with an S, dimensions of our creative selves. Okay, so I'm going to share Cassandra over here with you. Now, the last time I had to start this recording over because I picked up my computer and I dropped it. So here we go. This is an oil painting. It is oil on canvas. Do that for right now before I go in for a close-up. It would be called a diptych, meaning it's two panels that come together as one. It's 60 by 60. When I first started this painting, it was going to just be an orb ball with blue. But as I continued, I decided, okay, I see a vessel emerging. So I played with the vessel. And when I was done, I realized there was a figure in here. So I'm going to go up close. It's really just orb balls that make up the head. You can see oil stick, oil paint. A lot of my paintings are pretty thick with texture because they're just often 5 paintings in one. Often, not always the case. So for those of you out there who do not know who Cassandra is, she is a mythical figure from Greek mythology, and she represents the often ignored voice of inner truth. She is the soul that sees clearly, yet she is not believed. In Greek mythology, Cassandra was given the gift of prophecy by Apollo, who was in love with her. And how it worked out is it was an exchange for her love, but she rejected him. He cursed her so that no one would believe her predictions. She foresaw the fall of Troy. She tried to warn her people, but they ignored her. She was right, but she was unheard. So she's become a symbol not just of the tragic prophet, but of the soul's voice, the intuition we often silence. I know many of you might relate to what I'm saying. We might have a gnawing voice, but we don't listen to it. And more than ever, it's time to listen to it. And I believe creativity can be a gateway to get those, to flex those muscles. So when I painted Cassandra, I was thinking about the times, or I was just trying to feel deeply, really. We know something in our bones, but often we dismiss it. This painting is about reclaiming the inner knowing, about not ignoring the quiet but persistent voice within us. Okay. And I've said this before. We live in a world that praises the logic, proof, and evidence, which are all valuable and important, but sometimes the soul speaks in symbols, feelings, and dreams. And so this painting, Cassandra, is a reminder that intuition is not foolishness, it's wisdom, deep wisdom we haven't yet learned to prove. So I invite you all to look at this painting, not just with your eyes, but with your own inner knowing. What does it stir in you? Let's stop dismissing our Cassandra moments and listen to when our soul speaks. I'm going to leave you all today with a short guided visualization meditation as a practice to get you all into the zone of listening to your own intuition. So just gently find a soft place to land within inside yourself. Maybe take a couple of deep breaths, feet flat on the ground. We'll take 3 deep breaths in and out. Okay. Imagine in your mind's eye a place that feels safe, nurtured, a place where you're loved. It could be a physical place or just a place inside your heart or your mind's eye. This is a practice you can do by calming the nervous system. You take 4 breaths in, 1, 2, 3, 4. You hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on your own. One more time. Your soul knows the way. Trust it. Your soul knows the way. Trust it. Something you can do to practice this intuition is you can do it in your own house or you could walk out the door, but find something. Like, let's say I see yellow flowers. Instead of thinking those are yellow flowers, what might those flowers have to say to me? I'm looking at yellow flowers across the way. At first, I want to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does the number 6 mean to me? 6 in astrology is the 6th house, it's service. That's the first thing that comes to mind. I could look at numerology. Number 6 is the bringing together of the sacred. So messages, what does an orange mean? You might see an orange tree and or the tree swaying. These can all be messages if you open up that creative doorway, portal into your soul. Okay. If this resonated with you, please share your thoughts below. I'd love to hear about a time when you didn't follow your intuition, or you did follow your intuition and you knew it was intuition. And thanks for watching and for listening, not just to me, but your own heart. Okay, bye for now.